slave cylinder for the clutch. What the hell is that?
Slave? I don't know.
Wonderful morning, my people. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to attempt to install the clutch master cylinder in the 240. Get these bad boys bled. All right. So hopefully goes as planned. Can get that done and get something accomplished this week, because this week just been hit and miss. All right, so this video we'll start with a torsion rod or strut rod as Nissan. Man, that happened so fast. I'm gonna have y'all watch the other one. Done. So on your 240 SX and I think 300Zs, I'm not positive, but it's a clutch master cylinder. It's 12 millimeter nuts, one here, one there. All right, and you go into the car and right here you take that pin out and it slides right out from the front. Issue I was having was that seal back there was leaking. It's brand new, but it's been sitting in the car for so long. So pop that pin out, take the two nuts off of the front, and slide this thing out. All right, so we got clutch master cylinder in. Brake fluid reservoir is full, but we can't bleed the brakes because, well, actually we did bleed the front, gravity bleed, but see here, got a whole pin missing. This one's still in there, but, and on the other side, this was missing a nut, so I had to go buy a nut, put on here. All these little problems, you know. But good thing is, once it's done, we can be assured that everything is where it's supposed to be. I gotta go pick the pins up, the hardware for the brakes in about half an hour. Hopefully bleed the brakes, and you guys can, you know, we bleed the clutch. Get something done today in this video. I'm tired. I'm gonna do both sides of the car. So all got new hardware, and we can probably all right, so we got new hardware, slide pins, driver side, passenger side. All right, so Jeremiah's gonna help me.
Hi guys!
Let's see what we get here.
And he said I'd never be in the 240. Look at me now, boys. I'm in the 240.
Hey, just shut up.
Brake or clutch?
Brake. Hit it. You hitting it? Whoa, whoa. Shit. Do it again. Squeeze it again. Yeah. All right, stop. Damn, brake block. I'm gonna tell you when to hit the brake. See what happens. Hit it. Hey. It worked. So, as you can see the scoring from the pads, the brakes actually hold. But now we got to get that brake line, block line checked. Make sure it stops leaking, and we should be good. So, one more bleed session. We're great. I'm not going to do it in this video because now we got to do the slave cylinder for the clutch. What the hell is that?
slave? I don't know.
So we got the new slave. That's the old one. And putting them up together, you can see the big difference. So yeah, it needed to be replaced. All right. But this is where I'm gonna end the video for today. Next video, we should see this installed and bled. We have brakes. We just need to fix that brake block that I waited so long to find and install. Is still leaking, so we got to get that done. But we're on the way, making some progress. Appreciate y'all watching as always. Have a blessed day, and catch you guys in the next video.